aban say ojitum say committee na recommend say yento MMDCE swaba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Opooman.
Sir John ojitum na conditions or the aban engine too.
Wodi an wati and ade no.
Also ojitum yesu nyina ejitum se yento aba no. But conditions are the ban yen too.
To say en kakra.
Sir John. Now as to compare we any Nana Akufo-Addo de nkade na Nana Akufo-Addo se yen partisan MPP. Say any partisan a NDC ni be contest, MPP ni be contest, PNC ni be contest, UP for be contest to be wa be win no wa win. And no NDC for original including Miami of Esi Edun Ketia. Momo ye hunioma bebre si ye kan ye ya enye. Says omo fan ko partisan say president say ye be to no be appoint 5. Ye be omo nominate 5. No ono avete womo. Na ono ayi 3. Ami akoto omo so aba. Na no 3 no. Why ni ye be yi no?
Okay.
Party for na be so be NDC for nkwa. Eni enka we na enka say ano appoint. Na mi wa de kronti a both parties ni nyina esro free and fair neutralize election. Say wa wo pese wo ye Kumasi, wa pese wo ye Asukwa yi, wa pese wo ye Asonsi yi. Kopribi. Aden obi ampe na Sir John. Enti His Excellency the President. Me mahu se miaminti na His Excellency epeso de mra we ba. Because onim say ye ame we ne kie me. And opeso ye me point nipa 5. Near it because ye point 5 na me ye mfrɛ me bi. Sir John, sa election omu bie tum. So bi ankotum a me a potential MC e wo kie me. Because general election general election there. Ade a me pepa no. Eno so minim say nipa nim e wo gidie wo mse metima ye. Ba say appoint say kone there. Both sides be
5.
And
na oma veti amanaka 3.
And I'm say
na Ghana for baby a won what we are to
ye ne nya adwen china 5 no wan no na okọ appoint wo criteria ne ye den kwan be na abefa so aye
say bia I say bia
say don say ko ba sa dia NDC for na abebo mu den so NDC for na abebo mu den enyenka MPP dia ne far better because MPP dia no say MPP for the rep ko NDC the rep kwa still neutral and independent persons who bet my day I contested to say Ghana elections ayeko
papa my bet my body o papa bet my body
dabi onjida ani e convert e ko busa NDC no bo ayen we yen a obebo NDC 14 it's a fact my yen fanti Kasa John eni nka we kranka ho because eno de emfa so ma so omu fi se omu nyina agitum se ento MMDCE so aba yemiem no mfra criteria nya de ento qualification nya de emra na wa fi se o ready so betumi a contest na wakofa forms no akobi na Kumasi for Asukwa Asonsi for bi ato so aba na ye hu se we nya epe no danza obeka se mimi ko yi 5 me ko appoint 5 no akonvert na yi 3 there Sir John 5 no conditions say no they appointed NDC for ni ebe yi o ma na hwanum ni ebe yi o mo and it's impossible so bet we any other person than the party members it is a join no de ye ne nya adwen ye nyintum ne anyintum kira eno kwa de ye nyintum na anyintum kira His Excellency the President pese to aba omumiem we NDC ni umfa NDC nko we MPP ni umfa MPP nko for our strength
file said here
yes
MPs there file
ekono ne kobi assembly members there no eti ano no pa fa wo NDC ni kwa ne kwese na chi underground emfa obi aho ba say ye be use true e say me ko appoint 5 ni akonvert na yi 2 there His Excellency the President we there no nya adwen emwa local governance it's almost like ya appoint ya say enye ene go appoint my assembly members ne go to aba senti sadia nana Sir John omumiem na wa person contest bi no ko contest bi cause eno de MY ne MY china MY system no so ene enko fa friends say former president Akufo-Addo deɛ na ɔde baa ne sɛ parties no ɛnyɛ involved in that particular elections no baasi yɛ kɔ kan with deɛ sɛ John me ne ɔmo nya adwene ɛmoa yɛn
nti sɛ mmɔyɛ dɛ ɛsɛ ade sɛ proposal ɛsi yɛ no aban na accept sɛ ɔ accept yɛ no ɔsɛ yɛnyɛ ne sei nti aka sɛ bɛyɛ implementation committee no ɛna ɛnkyɛ aban bɛ announce a ɔmo so ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ implementation committee na ɛba bɛ handle saa ne mɛ ne nyinaa nti that is when committee no so bɛba
na we referendum ma we nya entrench o
wait I mean mami hwɛ
MMDCE is no
no
entrenched okay
entrenched
okay
entrenched they beba from to
ampa you better yes or no also you better etia you better start a campaign of vote no because we there we will start campaign says vote no because MY
Sajo so Opooman we ma make ka win twam na o ha ide Sajo unu say ma make ka asem bi say
we na ne ye
eno ha sana make